Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable restricted mode on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. Takes us to our profile. Next, we're going to click the three stripes in our top right corner. And now we're going to select the fourth option that we have, settings and privacy. Here, we're going to skip the account section. We're going to move to content and display. We're going to select content preferences. As you can see, the second option we have is restricted mode. So we're going to click on that and we're going to click on turn on. You have to set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. So let's say 000. Next, you have to confirm it again and set. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!